I can't tell you how many zillion people have written to me or called and said, I took piano lessons as a kid, but I've forgotten most of what I know. How do I get going again? How do I start again? That's an excellent question, and we have some excellent answers for that. I designed a course just for that. It's called a Crash Course in Exciting Piano Playing, and it's for adults only, not for kids at all. And it starts right at square one, so you'll review the basics, a little bit of music reading, not very much, but enough, you can read the right hand melody, and then very thorough instructions on chords. And so you start out with simple chords like that, and a chording pattern like that, and then you get a lot more complex by doing things like that, adding arpeggios or once you know chords, there's a zillion things you can do like that. And of course, the chords can be played in the right hand too, and so we learn the chords in both hands. And like I say, it's a very thorough course that takes you from square one, where you left off as a kid, and gets you into that sort of piano playing if that's where you want to go. So that's what I'd recommend. It's called a Crash Course in Exciting Piano Playing.